A ball is thrown vertically upward with an initial velocity of 20 meters per second. Assuming g equals 10 meters per second squared, what is the maximum height reached? A. 10 meters, B. 20 meters, C. 40 meters, D. 200 meters. Pause the video, solve the problem, and answer in the comment section. Which of the following is true for an object in uniform circular motion? A. Speed is constant, velocity is constant. B. Acceleration is 0. C. Acceleration is directed towards the center. D. Net force is 0. The answer is option C. Acceleration is directed towards the center. A 5-kilogram object experiences a net force of 10 newtons. According to Newton's second law, its acceleration is A. 0.5 meters per second squared, B. 2 meters per second squared, C. 15 meters per second squared, D. 50 meters per second squared. Pause the video, solve the problem, and answer in the comment section. The work done by gravity on a 2-kilogram object falling freely from 10 meters height is g equals 10 meters per second squared, A. 0 joules, B. 100 joules, C. 200 joules, D. 20 joules. Do the problem and tell me in the comment section. In an inelastic collision, A. Both momentum and kinetic energy are conserved. B. Momentum is conserved, kinetic energy may not be. C. Kinetic energy is conserved, momentum may not be. D. Neither is conserved. The answer is option B. Momentum is conserved, kinetic energy may not be. The SI unit of entropy is A. Joule, B. Kelvin, C. Joule per Kelvin, D. Calorie. The answer is option C. Joule per Kelvin. The efficiency of a Carnot engine operating between 400 Kelvin and 100 Kelvin is A. 25%, B. 75%, C. 50%, D. 100%. Solve the problem in your own way and tell me the answer. For an ideal gas, if volume is doubled at constant pressure, the temperature A. halves, B. remains the same, C. doubles, D. becomes 4 times. The answer is option C. doubles.